Hi, and welcome to the channel. So today, guys, let's cook. Okay, guys, so we are about to make dinner real quick. I had this on and I turned it off because I thought, you know what? Let's cook with my people. Let's cook with my people. Especially this is going to be for Kimmy, who says she likes when I do the cooking videos. So I just have some beef pieces here, and I've seasoned it with some salt. I'm gonna hit it with some onion powder, because you guys know I love onion powder. A generous amount. Then I'm gonna hit it with some garlic. And I never get too much garlic. Then I'm going to hit it with my steak dust. Now, I used to get this from Sam's, but they stopped carrying it, so I get it from the Durkee site. You can get it on Amazon, but it's a little bit more pricey on Amazon. I'm also going to hit it with a little soy sauce. Just a little bit. I got some onion and bell pepper cut up. I'm gonna put this in there as well. So now I'm going to add a cup of chicken broth with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Stir that up and then put it into your pot. And that's going to let it thicken. You're going to let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. Here I added I did like 5 handfuls of pasta. Put the top back on it, and we're going to let that cook until it's done. Or if you prefer, you can cook your pasta separate and then add it afterwards. So now we're all done. All you have to do is add a salad, add some bread if you like, but you know I'm trying to lose weight, so I'm eliminating the bread. I got the pasta. So Cammy, I hope you enjoyed this. This was just for you. And I'm going to close out here. You know I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.